Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video. Today we got this Arduino. It's from ELEGOO. It was pretty cheap. It was about $35 on Amazon.ca. You can find a link in the description below if you'd like to buy one yourself. But this is the package it came in. It was actually wrapped around another package that was like a white package, had bubble wrap and whatnot. But this is what was inside. And it looked pretty interesting, so I decided to keep it on. But it's gonna come off right now, so let's cut this open. It's quite hard to take off the tape. Wow. The tape is stuck on my hand, but alright, I'll take it off. Alright, I'm just gonna cut this right across. And there it is. It's a starter kit. It's the Uno. There it is. There's the image of it right there. It's a pretty nice box. Yeah. Alright, let's get this open. There we go. The clips are off. Comes, oh, would you look at that? It comes with a little thing at the top, like a menu of what it has. Let me try to put, okay, so share your review, whatnot, thank you. All right, so it comes with a video, a CD. I'm assuming it's a video, I'm not exactly sure, but could be just a software. Use a little thing. Oh, that's backwards. Sorry about that. There's all the components that it comes with. Here's the components itself. I'm not going to take out each component and show you guys individually, but if you guys have any questions about any one specifically, you know, put them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Although I will take out the Arduino itself. Here it is, very small. Comes in a static-free bag. I'll just cut this open and I'll see you guys back in a quick sec. Alright guys, I've cut open the top. And here's the Arduino. It's very nice. Here's the back of it. There it is. If you guys have any specific questions, please leave them down below. I will do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.